welcome back to Ask Angie D. Today we're gonna make waffles, and I'm here with
Julianna.
And Noah's in the background.
Hello.
And Ryan's also in the background. But we're gonna make waffles. I know I've done these before, but before I had a waffle fail. So hopefully today with the right ingredients, we can make them taste really good. And you're gonna be honest, right?
Yes.
Okay.
I
All right, so let's get started. We're gonna show you guys the ingredients. Okay, so we're gonna need eggs, all-purpose flour, milk, olive oil, or vegetable oil, sugar, baking powder, salt, vanilla extract, and love. And then optional, you need Pam as well. I usually have two bowls, and I have one for wet ingredients and one for dry ingredients. And then you will also need a waffle maker
and a whisk.
and a whisk. So, what's our first instruction now?
It says preheat waffle iron and beat eggs in large bowl with pan beater until fluffy. One and 3/4 cups of milk.
Okay, let's do that.
Half a cup of vegetable oil. One tablespoon of white sugar. One half teaspoon of vanilla extract.
Here. Yours half of
Oh
it?
no, yeah, half of it. Okay.
Okay, what's in the giant?
So 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
Right, half of it.
4 teaspoons of baking powder. And then 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
So we're gonna use land salt.
good.
Pretty good?
Yeah.
How many stars do you give it?
I'll give it 2 thumbs. I'll say 2 thumbs.
Okay. I think we did it.
Yes.
Cool. All right. Bye, guys.